Hey guys, today I am making a stand for the computer to raise it up just a hair. We are also building a stand for the dog bowls. I have my wood piece here. I'm just going to sand it down, and then I have two little legs here to stand it up. It's going to go like that, sit on top of the legs. It'll be a cool stand. So here Rick is making the frame for the dog bowls, little table it's going to sit on. It's going to cut the wood, then we're going to cut out holes for the bowls. Alright, so I just sketched the outer rim of the bowl. Right there and there. And then I went in about 1/4 of an inch on either side so that I knew where I'm going to cut is right here so that it sits in there flush. And I'm just finishing sanding the top for the dog bowls, and then once I'm done, we will put the feet on. So Rick just screwed 3 screws into there. He's going to do the same process over here. And this will be my new computer stand. Alright, we're screwing in the legs for the dog bowl holder. They're just little cabinet feet from Ikea. Use them all over the house. Alright, now I just need to put the butcher block oil on it to seal it. And we'll put the bowls in. And she'll have a new little holder. Alright, well, let's take these guys in the house and see how they look. There you go. There, and you want your water here. Will that work for you? What do you think? Cool, lady. So 2 quick little projects. I like that. Oh, switch sizes, okay. Looks like You like it? Yeah. That's a good girl. Really cool.